Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. This is the channel PC for you, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can use your AMD graphics card to run OBS. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can support the channel. Hopefully this channel will grow in the future. Let's get on into the settings. First of all, just let it be known that I have two graphics cards. I do have an AMD and a NVIDIA graphics card. But for this video, I'm going to switch to this one, which is an AMD graphics card encoder. Now, this is literally the simple solution to what you're requiring. Custom Muxer settings. This thing, it's been confusing me a whole lot. I once googled it, didn't give me much information about it, but in my opinion, I believe it's how much RAM can be diverted to your recording software. Now, a lot of bottlenecks can happen because of CPU performance, which is why most of the recordings need to run from your GPU, but your RAM is restricting that amount of information going to the CPU, then going to the GPU. What I've put is 6,000 out of 1,600, so I've got 10,000 left. But as you can see, I've put 6,000 in here, and that way it should work. So I'm going to press apply, and we're going to play a game with this. I didn't even know this, but apparently you can open up OBS twice. But I'm going to open up a game. I actually might close this OBS so that I can, oh my god. I'm going to be using Trailmakers as my example. As of this moment, the frame rate isn't bad. The encoder is AMD, the setting is CBR, and I've set the bitrate to 50,000. Let's see how we go, shall we? Once we get over this edge, once we see the water, it's going to be getting a little bit more demanding. But let's see how we roll. It might be a little bit choppy, so 50,000 bitrate is probably going to be okay for this. Depending on your computer, the lower is probably the better if you have a bad computer, but if you have a pretty good computer with a pretty good graphics card, then, you know, this is going to be okay. Mine is an RX 580, so the graphics isn't going to be that great. On a normal basis, I use a Quadro card as my encoder, just because of the CUDA cores being an extra step. But this is for you guys if you can't afford any other extra card, or you want to convert to NVIDIA but you're saving up for a good graphics card. Thank you guys, I really hope that this tutorial has helped you and you can record with your AMD graphics card. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so I can release more videos like these to help you guys with any other issues.